And these guys are American, not they got to go home.
Yeah, that's good.
And they have a happy coconut.
Yeah, good quality.
So that means the people, the customers that order them, they need the one that lighter version. That's why they mix water now.
Okay.
But today when I'm teaching you, we're going to do it from fresh from right here.
Yeah.
But we have two kinds. You got a 100% coconut milk, you know, in box of can, the thicker one.
Yep.
And you have a coconut milk that's lighter.
Yes, yeah.
Like today when we make curry or soup, anything that brings it to the way,
Yeah.
like it has to be lighter version. Lighter one, yeah. คนจะถ่ายพวกมดนะวันนั้นคนจะถ่ายพวกมดนะ And you see this? After they're shredded and after they squeeze it, there's no yeah, you can it's not juicy anymore.
No,
Kind of dry a little bit. You see?
Does this have any use? Or they just
This they use this for the rice and stuff. Yeah.
neat? It's very soft.
Yeah. Which is a different texture as well. You can see it's juicy
Yeah.
and heavier.
Yeah.
You see that he peeled? That's a pandan leaf. Pandan leaf.
Ah,
Pandan.
pendant.
And give a nice smell. Today we're gonna use that too.
Great.
นี่นอกขั้นหัวมันมาก่อน So he made coconut milk 100% of cream, which is the one that no water in it, right? And then he put the one the rest and he add water.
Great.
We're gonna squeeze it so you can. You wanna make some video photo? You can if you want to.